Oh, Lord, it's almost time to go. Okay. Which value correctly completes the equation? So I'm going to have to, the equation says 8 times blank equals 3,848. Who knows what I'm going to have to do to solve that? If they give me a multiplication problem, but they don't give me the other number that I'm multiplying by, what do I need to do to find that other number? I'm going to divide. I'm going to do the opposite or the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to divide 3,848 by 8. And that'll tell me what that missing number is. So 3,848 divided by 8. So I'm going to see how many groups of 8 I can get out of 38. If I know my multiplication factors, and I already know, but if you don't know it, then you can easily write them down. Or you can look at your multiplication chart that you should have when you do this test. So I know 8 times 4 is 32. So can't go over that. So it's going to be 4 groups. So 4 goes on top of my 8. Then if I multiply 4 times 8, I get 32. So I put that under the 38. Then I subtract and I get 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, it's time to go after this one. It'll be time to go, y'all. Then I bring down my 4. 8 goes into 64. How many times without going over? Y'all should know that by looking at your multiplication chart. How many groups of 8 can I get out of 64? 8. 8 goes above the 4. Multiply 8 times 8, I get 64. Subtract that, I get 0. Then I need to bring down my 8. Now I need to see how many groups of 8 I can get out of 8. Everybody should know that. 1. 1 goes above the 8. I multiply 8 times 1, I get 8. Subtract that, I get 0. So my answer would be 481. So that means 8 times 481 would be 3,848. Cool. Y'all good on that? Y'all know what? Just stay. We're going to do one more. It'll be okay. Y'all already have your stuff packed up. Anyway, so. All right. This says the Granite Bowl has 243 seats in each row. Okay. If it has 243 seats in each row, do I know the total of seats yet? No. Then it goes on to say there are 42 rows of seats. What is the total number of seats at the Granite Bowl? How am I going to find that out? Multiply. 243 times 42. Okay. 3 times 2 would give me 6. 4 times 2 would give me 8. 2 times 2 would give me 4. Then I do what? Hold my place with my 0. Then I'm going to go ahead and mark out my 2 because I've already used it. Then I do what? 4 times 3 gives me 12. Put my 2, carry my 1. Then I do 4 times 4. It is not 8. It's 16. Plus 1 is 17. Put my 7, carry my 1. Then I do 2 times 4 plus the 1 will give me 9. Because 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Add that up. Get 6. I get 10. Get 11. I get 12. And I get 10. So 10,206 would be my answer. All right. So that will be it for this video. They can't see you. And I will come back with I think it'll be part 4. Yeah. We're done.